Yo, what's going on?
Hey, what's up, guys?
I'm Alberto.
I'm Cynthia.
And we are
theAClife519. So we are cooking two different...
On today's episode of Cooking with the AC Life.
Yes. We actually are being a little fancy this time, and we're cooking two different meals, completely different, for our lunches since we do work 12 hours. So basically we're gonna be taking breakfast, lunch, and dinner to work. We get out at 8 p.m. so to go to the gym and then to go home and eat again and then go to bed and get ready for the next day kind of is pointless. So we're gonna try to eat before we leave work at like 6, have dinner, and then go to the gym at like 8:30 and then call it a night. Okay, I don't remember what we were saying.
We were just restarting.
No. Okay, so since we work the long shifts, we're basically going to be doing breakfast, lunch, and dinner at work, so it's more convenient for us. So today we're going to be doing, it's a stir fry but with zucchini noodles. So we got this lovely
Boy,
machine.
we were too cheap for the electrical one, and then I was like, if we're working out, might as well use, you know, a little forearm and get cranking.
Yeah, so we are going to be making this. We're going to show you everything that we have so far and show you along the way. Oh my god, this is cool. This thing is really cool, babe. I wasn't sure that it was working.
But it's like, it doesn't do them continuously. No, I guess.
Look how quick this does this. Getting that arm workout in.
I think you're good.
Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Okay. I'm just gonna pull this back.
Boy.
Dang, we're gonna be eating good. That's pretty cool that it kind of cores it. Okay, you're like sliding.
I'm saying, yeah, it's sliding.
Okay, so now we're gonna use the onion, cut it in half. We're gonna use one. You have to spiral it too. Oh, this one's way easier. I think that's as much we're gonna get. I'm gonna stir this real quick. Oh my god, this smells so good. Done?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Remember, you're gonna have to like pull it apart.
Good.
Mm-hmm. Good job. Added the onions in there. Now they're gonna cook for 4 to 5 minutes until they're translucent and tender.
Okay.
And then 2 tablespoons of teriyaki. So it's gonna be 4 of those.
All right, y'all. So we just finished our second round of cooking. This will be actually our lunch before our dinner. We made what we already said in the beginning of this video. Sorry, it's been a long day already. And then I added like, I did like 2 chicken breasts and spread it out, like 2 pieces each for the 3 days. And then we're just gonna complement that with some brown rice and quinoa. Do you want to show them a package so they know what it is? You can get them at Sam's Club. They come in package, I think a box size of 6 of them or something. And
looks like this. You literally just rip this open and you put it in the microwave for 90 seconds and it's ready to eat.
And that one's like, it has garlic in it. It's you know, it's all right.
It's pretty good.
Brown rice and quinoa. People like it, healthy. So yeah, we're just gonna add that with the food. So that's how like it turned out. That's our zucchini spaghetti, or what is it?
Yeah, it's just like zucchini stir-fried noodles.
With some like added chicken, a little protein.
This is gonna be the meal that we
salsa.
eat before we go to the gym. So we'll eat this at like 6 o'clock.
I thought it was gonna be this what we would eat.
Oh, this is gonna be. Is this gonna be dinner?
No, well, I don't know. This
Either
might.
one.
Whatever we decide to eat.
Dinner.
It'll probably be this one. Yeah, I think it's just right. This will probably be our
something light.
Our lunch because it's a little bit lighter.
Okay.
But
well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.
Right on.
And I hope you guys liked cooking with us because we enjoyed it.
We love it.
Day.
Yeah, but like, comment, subscribe.
Yes.
We love reading all your guys' comments and replying to them, so keep them coming. For everyone out there watching us, peace out. Good night, y'all.
Good night.
Later.
Bye, guys.